Jai Shri Ram, Cookie and Chiku. Good morning. I hope you guys have a huge amount of happiness and peace in your life. How are you doing today? Today, bachon, another Sunday. I'm out on my bike, pushing myself. And today I want to talk to you about the most important thing in life. It's building your character. And bacho, contrary to what you have learned so far, character is not how others portray you. Character is built by maintaining discipline in your brain. Everyone says don't lie, don't cheat, don't steal, don't be jealous. But what it actually is, the moment you start getting a feeling or a thought that, you know what, let me just lie here a little bit, it will make my life easier. That's it. You've lost the game there and then. So the moment you get a feeling, let me lie in this situation, let me cheat in this situation, let me manipulate this situation, let me say X to person 1 and Y to person 2, let me try meddle the situation so that the outcome is favorable to me. You have lost the game, bacho. You have to build a mental discipline to be able to accept the outcome no matter what it is and not lose your character. This also means you need to ensure that you don't do anything that alters your brain. No drugs, no alcohol, no cigarette, nothing. All that, bacho, is poison for your brain. The moment you do it once, you may feel overconfident. You know, I'm very strong. Let me just try it once. The moment you do it once, you're gonna do it again and again and again. Gambling, drugs, alcohol, lying, cheating, these are all drugs for your brain. They will kill your brain, they will kill your inner conscious, and you will become a pig. You'll become a slave to your addiction of lying, addiction of cheating, addiction of manipulating. And you will continue to do that for the rest of your life. No matter how knowledgeable you become, no matter how much money you make, no matter how powerful you become, no matter how many people respect you in the society, if you start lying, cheating, stealing, gambling, drugs, if you look at opposite gender with any feeling other than of friendship or compassion, you have lost the game, bacho. You need to ensure these 6 things. Number 1, nothing that alters your brain or your thought process should go inside your body or your mind. That means no drugs, no gambling. Even if you get a thought of lying and cheating or stealing, you should take a control of your brain there and then. Stop it there and then. Don't let that thought progress. I'm telling you, bacho, I see people who are much older than me, more powerful than me, more money than me, have everything that they want in life, but they are slave to their addiction of lying, cheating, manipulating. The only thing that will do, bacho, is bring more negativity in your life, because you'll start expecting that let me manipulate the situation, I will get a favorable outcome. Trust me, it will never happen. You can't control the outcome, bacho. The only thing you can control is your input, is your effort. Do it honestly and build a mental fortress of strength that you can accept any outcome, no matter whether you feel that it's favorable to you or not. Reality in life is, bacho, while we may think that, you know, this is going wrong in my life, that is going wrong in my life, others have more money than me, others have a better house than me, others have a better financial stability than me, and we may think, you know, everything is going wrong in my life. Reality is, everything is going right in your life. You know why? Because no matter what happens in your life, it is being done by the will of Sri Ram. nothing can go wrong in your life. What you see right now as wrong is merely your training or what is supposed to come a few years down the line in your life. You cannot see right now the positivity behind it. Why? Because we all have become a slave to our fears and desires. So build your character. No drugs, no lying, cheating, stealing. The moment you think about it, take control of your brain. Stop that thought there and then. Don't look at opposite gender. See, as you grow old, a lot of people may seem as if you can't live without them. The reality of life is, bacho, nobody stops living because of somebody else. That's a harsh reality. I've got my parents, I've got you guys. Someday I'm gonna leave this world. Hopefully I can leave some good memories for you guys. Hopefully I can do something with which you can improve your life. But that is not going to stop your life, bacho. You will live, you will grow, you'll make a life of your own. So keep in mind, building character is more important than anything else in life. Till the time you do not get married, physical attraction is only going to lead to destruction in your life. And you may disagree with me, you may go down that path. However, just think it through, bacho, because till the time you get married, your job, your role, your karma in life, you need to ponder upon that, right? So stay happy, live at peace, and build your character. The easiest way to build your character is pushing yourself physically and building that mental strength so that you can control yourself, you can control your emotions, you don't give in to your emotions, and you don't fall prey to your own fears and desires. Jai Shri Ram, bacho. Bye. Have a great life.